Hi, this is our brand new Maruti Ertiga car. It is VXI model. So the front appearance, you can see that it looks like a mini Innova car. The vehicle is registered, number plate is set to come. So this number plate is not yet attached. So you can see there is a chromium grille is there at the front, and this is the complete front view of the car. And also you can see that there are two outer mirrors are there, which is electronically controlled, and there is an FM antenna on the top. Then it has a good projector headlamps, and also the indicators also there, and optional fog lamp is also there. We can fix it later from the accessories department. We can take it, so which is there on the both the sides. And so since it is a VXI model, only wheel cover is provided here. It's a very good tire. A Bridgestone tire is given here, and this is an outer rear view mirror. So here we have the indicator also, turn indicator. So inside this there is a mirror, so which we can use it, and we can control it electronically as well. So this is the interior view of the car. So you can see that this from outside. Still the windows are not yet open and the seat covers are not removed, and you can see that the steerings are attached here, and also the door handles, then the rear views, rear door handle. Then also you have the appearance of the third seat here, which is also a reclining one. And now coming to this dicky part. So this is the rear view of the car, the complete rear view of the car. So again, the number plates are not yet attached here. Then this is the light portion of the rear part. So you have the turn indicator, LED lamps are there. So here also you have a brake lights, and even on the top there is another brake light over here. Then there is the same similar setup on the other side also we have it. And this is the dicky of the car. So you can see that. So it's quite spacious, so we can accommodate many things inside. So when we bought the car, so Maruti has given some cleaning equipments here, so that's also given as part of this car. Then there is a puncture kit is also provided here. Then the triangle on the roadside, you might have seen when the vehicle is get repaired, then fix a triangle, no? So the triangular setup was also given. Then first aid equipment also it is given here. Then in addition to that, Maruti has provided car cleaning kit also, so that is also there here in the dicky part. Then here you can see that the trunk could be opened here, and we can keep some items inside this trunk, and we can close it. So a good enough dicky space is provided here. So this is the view of the car from the back side. So there are 3 seats are there, first seat, second seat, and third seats. All the seats are reclining seats. Now this is the other side of the car, so where you can see that the car is quite lengthy, approximately 4.29 meters is there. And this is other side of the car, so looks beautiful. So this is the dashboard. You can see that since the door is open, it is indicating here the door is open. Once the door is closed, it will be off. Still the door is not closed properly, so we have to close properly, so that will go off. So you can see that there are a couple of meters provided here. Suppose we have a speedometer, and also we have the RPM meters, then fuel indicators also provided, temperature indicators is also provided here. So now let me switch on this car and let you know. But one important thing that you need to know is, before you switch on the car, ensure that your parking is lifted high, and also you have to press the clutch, because in most of the modern cars you have to press the clutch to start. So ensure that your clutch is pressed, and now when you first turn on, you can see that the audio system is switched on here. So it's a Bluetooth enabled audio system. It's a very basic audio system. You can access your Bluetooth, radio, aux, and other audio interfaces could be used. Okay. So now I'm switching on the car. For the second turn, you can see that now the speedometer is on now. So as the speedometer is on, it welcomes you with the Maruti symbol, and all the indicators, the seat belt indicators, oil indicators, light indicators, and temperature indicators, everything is provided here. So now when I start the vehicle, it will give me some more indication over here. So the vehicle is started, and now you can depress your clutch. You can see that there is a parking indicator, and the parking brake is also on, and also here it will indicate once the car is switched on, how far you drove the vehicle also will be showed here, and also how long you have used the vehicle also will be shown here when I switch off the vehicle. You can see that now when I switch off the vehicle, you can see that it shows that driving time and many other details over there. Okay. Now here you can see there are controls are provided on the driver's side right side door. So this is used for controlling the outside mirror, which can be used to control, and this is to lock all the doors, and this is to maintain the lock and unlock facilities. Then we have 4 more buttons over here. So these buttons are used to control each door separately. So these are the door locks facilities provided here in the system. Talking about the AC facilities. So here you have the AC facilities over here. So we can switch on the AC. So even at the one itself, you will get a very good AC facility. Cooling will be there, and there are separate options are available. It depends on where you want the AC to be focused. So that will be provided here, and also the range from cold to hot is also provided here. So however you want to use your AC, you can use it. Then there is an option to maintain within the inside air, or to get the air from the outside also. It's provided here in this place. So this is the complete AC vents in this car. So you can see that here it's AC over here, and there is a display, and also you have an AC, and the airbag is provided here. You can see that the two dual airbags are provided on the front row. So you have one AC airbag here, and also there is another airbag is provided here in this place on the steering wheel. Okay. Then in the upper part of the front row, you have a light facilities. So the light can be on at all time, or you can fix it at the door, and also you can turn it off. Then there is a vanity mirror. So this vanity mirror will help us to view the rear view, and also to do some makeups and all. You can use the vanity mirror. Then you can see the internal rear view mirror. So this is basically can be adjusted for the both daytime and nighttime. So if you tilt this knob, it will provide the nighttime facility, where it will dim the light at the back, and it will help you to drive smoothly. Whereas when it is in this way, in the daytime, it will help you to view the complete rear part, what are the vehicles coming in, no, that we can see that here. And also the sunshade is provided here for the driver, so we can use it whenever we feel it's very sunny and unable to see the road. You can make use of this and you can do it. And this can be tilted here and there, any place you can move it. By pulling out, you can make use of it. So the parking light can be switched on by using this particular button. It's a hazard lamp, so which can be enabled by pressing this. The parking light will be on. You can see that here, even on a dashboard also it will indicate, and every part of the lamp also will start glowing. Thank you. The audio systems are built in Maruti only, so we have not yet checked the audio quality. We hope it would be good. So there are 4 speakers are attached to the doors. So each door will have 1 speaker. So this is the complete internal view of the car. You can see that. So it looks so beautiful and very spacious as well. This is the second seat. So you can see the boot space. So very good boot space is provided here. And also for the people who are sitting in the rear, there is charging ports are provided here, which we can make use of it for charging the mobile phones. And even at each door they have provided a control button over here. By using this, everyone can have a control over their window. And this knob at the rear, it is used to recline your seats so that you can recline, so relaxedly you can go back and front and come. And also there is another knob provided here. By using this, we can drag the seat front and back so that we can make space for the third row. Okay, so in order to use the third row, I'll show you how to do it. So in order to go to a third row, we have to close this second seat. So it's basically a 60-40 seat. So we can close this seat, and now we can get a room to enter into the third row. The third row also, that's a reclining seat only. So we can freely sit and have a pleasant travel. Okay, that's up. Thank you for watching.